Visible surface detection with example. Visible surface detection, also known as hidden surface removal, is an important concept in computer graphics that determines which surfaces of 3D objects are visible and which are hidden from the viewpoint of the observer. Here are some key points to consider when working with visible surface detection in computer graphics. Hidden surface removal is important for creating realistic images. In order to create a realistic image of a 3D scene, it's necessary to correctly identify which surfaces are hidden from view and remove them from the image. This helps to avoid visual artifacts, such as objects appearing to be floating in front of other objects, or objects appearing to penetrate each other. There are several algorithms for visible surface detection. There are many algorithms for performing visible surface detection, including backface culling, depth sorting, and Z buffering. Each algorithm has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of algorithm will depend on the specific requirements of the application. Visible surface detection is often performed in hardware. Visible surface detection can be a computationally expensive process, and so it is often performed in hardware to speed up the process. Modern graphics processing units, GPUs, have dedicated hardware for performing visible surface detection. Example: consider a scene with a cube and a sphere, both lit by a light source. The task of visible surface detection is to determine which parts of the cube and sphere are visible from the viewpoint of the observer and to remove the hidden parts from the image. For example, the back faces of the cube are hidden from view, and so these would be removed from the image. Similarly, the inside of the sphere is hidden from view and would also be removed from the image. The resulting image would show only the visible parts of the cube and sphere, creating a more realistic representation of the scene. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.